Hello everyone, in this video we are going to perform the auction wave wallet staking tutorial. What is auction wave wallet? Wave wallet is built on Sui blockchain. This is a project which I think it's already listed the auction protocol. You can do some swap on this wave wallet auction. So yeah, I need to confirm that, but yeah, I've seen some news that it's already listed. So basically in this video, I want to show you how you can do the auction, the wave wallet staking. So just click on the wallet tab. Once you open your bot on Telegram, go to wallet. If this is your first time on this project, just find the link in the description, click on that, and then you will be in a good position to participate in this highly potential airdrop and project, which is currently in the community assembled. We are currently mining. So from here, just we need to go to, you see the hand section here. We need to go to hand. For the interest of time, we will just check on the staking option. Let's click on the staking option. Now, from here, as you can see, what we need to do here is we need to stake our wave points. So click on and wave points. So let's click on that. Now, as you can see, I have already staked my 1000 wave points. That's on August 1. Okay, anyway, I have already staked 4 days ago. As you can see the timer. If I wanted to stake more, I'll just click on stake. The duration is 7 days. So this is according to your phone on how much you want to stake. So I've already staked. Let's say my balance currently is 783. So let's say I want to stake 500 web points. Let's assume that the APY is 15%. APY is there. Okay, what you earn, APY is what you earn from the staking. So 15% of this sum, how much will you earn from staking to your wave points? And then after those 7 days end, then now you'll be able to claim your own the 1000 stake points, and then plus the additional rewards. So that's how staking works. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you really have a question concerning this wave wallet, you can just comment in this comment section below so that I can help you on the way forward. Now, from this point, allow me to end this video. One last suggestion is that make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, because I will be making very important videos regarding cryptocurrency and money online. So make sure just you are subscribed, then you can like this video so that someone else will get this information when he or she is recommended.